Hi guys, today I'm going to cover a fairly simple concept and one of the most, if not the most popular feature of LuxAlgo Premium, and that is the confirmation signals. Everyone who loads up LuxAlgo Premium sees the confirmation signals. They see the buy, they see the sell, they see the strong. One of the most rookie beginner mistakes is thinking, oh, I can follow a buy and I sell when it tells me to sell and I'll make money. No, this is not how trading works. This is how nothing works. If you could just follow buy and sell, we'd have it automated and we'd be printing billions. No, that's not what the signals are for. The signals are trend-based signals. So they follow the trend. They're there to help you spot a trend. Some people use moving average crossovers, for example. Moving average crossovers can be very laggy. They can be subject to lag. We've designed these confirmation signals to be more responsive and more and have a bigger range of optimization approaches. So here I've loaded up the confirmation signals on Cardano, for example. I've changed signal sensitivity to 29, so I've optimized my signals, and now you can see I have two strong signals on my chart. Here we see it's given us a strong buy signal. Well, we could just enter blindly when it tells us to buy, but then we're buying at this level. We're buying here. I'll mark it on the chart, horizontal line. We are buying on the close of the candle there, around 45 cents. But this is not optimal. This is not what they're for. They're not for entries and exits. They're there to tell you, hey, the trend has changed direction. So when we get this signal, how can we use it effectively? Well, let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's quickly optimize our signals because it was optimized for a different time frame. Change it over to 14 and we'll find those blue lines we drew. Where are they? There we are. It's over here. So it appears that we bought at this level, around this level. It would actually be the close, but we bought around this level. That is not optimal because we see this retracement. And a lot of traders would get angry. Let's say they enter the candle here. They're like, oh, why has the price gone down? Well, we know after this, the price goes on a massive rally. So in the short term, the price goes down. And this means there's an opportunity always for better entries. So we get this signal and we can find a better entry. We could load up an oscillator. Here I've loaded up the ultimate stochastic. We get our signal. We could wait for the stochastic to cross over. Wait for the retracement and then enter our position. So now we're entering maybe at this price instead of this price. So we've got a far better entry, and now we will maximize our gains doing this. And of course, because they're trend based, they can appear after a large move, and after large moves we do sometimes see retracement. So waiting for a retracement is very, very nice. We could also, for example, load up liquidity sweeps in LuxAlgo SR and Patterns Premium. You can do this by opening the settings, selecting liquidity sweeps. I have mine set to 5 as usual. We get our signal. We know there's going to be some kind of retracement. We can logically say, hey, now we know the trend is upwards. We got a strong signal on the 30-minute and we have that bullish bias. Let's try and find a re-entry. So we can enter on the retest of a liquidity zone, for example. Yes, the price dips a little below it later on. So yes, these signals do look clean. They're very appealing. They're quite good at what they do. But don't use them blindly. Use them to know, hey, the trend is going this direction. And allow them to create that bias in your trading rather than saying, hey, buy, sell, buy, sell. Use them as biases and use them in confluence with other indicators, and that's how you get the most out of these signals. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me cover next.